Hello everyone. Today is June 15th. It is a Wednesday, 11:03 a.m. Welcome to another market analysis. I am your host, Jacob Cardarelli, on the Jacob Cardarelli YouTube channel. Here we go. So today we are looking at Kodak stock. This is something I recommended about 2 weeks ago or something like that. You can check my old video. I was talking about Kodak and Tilray. Tilray is doing shit still. But I want to talk about Kodak because it looks like it's moving very nicely. So you look here, it's up 5.28% today. Yesterday it was up 10.5% off this little dip, but it broke our 100-day moving average, which is a really good sign. And it was up when the market was down, this 10.5%. So let's see, I'll show you that real quick here. Show you that real quick. You look here, it was like, this was trading down, S&P 500 was, and this just blew up yesterday. I was very surprised to see it, but anywho, that's looking pretty good. I actually have some call options at $7.50, which are extremely risky and kind of suicidal, but I saw this as a great play because if you look back here, let's go way back. If you look back here during the COVID crash, like when things crashed in March of 2020 during COVID, it exploded shortly after. And I feel like this type of crash was kind of like similar to this move down, especially if you look at the S&P right here, like huge sell-off. So it does really well off of market sell-offs. So, usually with rotational plays, like this type of thing happens. There's also a lot in the pipeline with Kodak. You have the EV battery race right now, and everything's about like EV batteries and all this stuff. And Kodak actually makes EV batteries. And there might be some news coming in late June, early July, I guess, about grant money that they could be getting or something like that. So it definitely has a lot going for it. And if you look at the max as well, here, let's pull up the max. This has been trading down for a very long time in a bull market. Like since 2014, the stocks have been skyrocketing and this has been going down forever. It's a very old company, so it's going to be around for a long time. Like it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Right now, you're starting to see it rebound. So we'll see. For me, it's a pretty risky play, but especially with the options, could have just bought the stock and not worry about shit. But at the same time, it looks like it could work out. Get extremely lucky with this. So yeah, I mean, right now, like I said, it broke the 100-day moving average, which is a really good sign. You look at here, usually when it breaks it, it kind of has an acceleration upward. It hasn't really broken it. Just the last time it broke it, besides this point, was back here. And it did for like a little second. So you're looking at, right now it's got some pretty stellar gains, up 5.5% today, up 10.5% tomorrow. We'll be interested to see how this plays out. It does look like it's breaking out for sure. And so I recommend this when it was back here somewhat. And now it's kind of mooning, so we'll see where it goes. Hopefully it keeps accelerating, but it'll be an interesting couple weeks. I think it still needs a lot of help from like the indices and the general market to continue to pull up. I mean, this is definitely bearish, the S&P, and I made some videos about how this could go up, but you got to be kind of hedged in the right things in terms of rotation. I also was talking about Tilray, which Tilray's been still doing shit. Like, it's not doing anything. It's still going down. It's kind of, Tilray's somewhat overvalued. I do imagine it's still accelerating, but right now Kodak's the play that I'm happy I diversified into a little bit here. So it looks like it's doing pretty good today at 5.5%, a little bit above. So you're looking at this thing, hopefully even the rest of the day it could take off again. Right now it's kind of fun to watch, but we'll see where it goes. So keep your eyes peeled on Kodak, ticker KODK. I'm actually from Rochester, so I live in Rochester, live in Victor, New York, right outside of Rochester. So it'd be kind of poetic, if I could make a play that's in Rochester, that'd be nice. So, all right, well, like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. I'll be making more videos in time. Right now, just kind of looking at Tilray and Kodak. Those are my only two plays that I'm in. So, but we'll see how it goes. It could be a pretty righteous month here. I got to get over 7.5. That's where I bought options, which were suicidal. But we got to get up here. Yeah. All right. Well, that's all for today. Peace.